In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of YouTube TV on all devices remotely, which is perfect if you've shared your account or lost access to a device. First, open a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer and go to tv.youtube.com. Sign in with the Google account linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, select Memberships and Devices or Devices depending on your account layout. Here, you'll see a list of all devices currently signed in with your account. To sign out of all devices at once, look for the Sign Out of All Devices option and click it. Confirm your choice when prompted. This will log your account out of every device immediately. Keep in mind that after signing out, you'll need to sign in again on any devices you still want to use. This is also a great security step if you suspect unauthorized access. So, to sum it up, go to YouTube TV on the web, open Settings, find your devices, and hit Sign Out of All Devices. It's quick, easy, and keeps your account secure. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tutorials.